know they're going to take him to the other side, right? We're not going to be able to talk to him.
Okay, Battalion 131 on the scene, 1305.
So this water must have been completely down for them to walk over there.
Show ops, go. Ron, just get a little update. Chief, at this time, both victims are in boat 111. Boat 111 is hung within trees. Boat 113 is trying to boat tether now to get them out. If other boats are on the scene, go ahead and have them stage their equipment down here at shoreside where we entered. Okay, so you want them staged where you put in? That's affirmative, sir. Whatever boat's available, stage at this point. Okay, Mr.